There's a new boss in town and you can call it bot. A new platform, RentAHuman, is putting the bots in charge. What is RentAHuman? RentAHuman promotes a human-in-the-loop model. You see, AI has no body, so when digital agents need physical action, they outsource it. AI handles planning and coordination, but hires humans for tasks requiring physical presence, like attending meetings, conducting experiments, tasting products, or even holding up a sign. One viral $100 gig asked participants to share a photo reading, and AI paid me to hold this sign. RentAHuman has already attracted more than 500,000 people ready to perform real-world tasks for AI agents. Whether RentAHuman becomes a lasting industry or just another AI fad remains to be seen. But one thing you can always rely on is the trusted products available at Weidmuller Electronics. The Weidmuller DURA ECO LA battery is a sealed lead fleece battery module engineered for dependable industrial backup power. Rated at 24 volts DC with 3.4 amp hours capacity, it supports up to 25 amp output and 0.51 amp charging current. An integrated 100 kiloohms NTC sensor enables temperature-compensated charging to extend service life. The maintenance-free, vibration, and shock-resistant design meets IEC standards and offers plug-in connections for simple installation. With a wide operating temperature range and parallel connection capability, the Weidmuller DURA ECO LA battery is well-suited for automation, control, transportation, and energy infrastructure systems. Check them out today at Mouser.com or by clicking the link below. All right, it's time to adjust your knowledge gains in our SmartBid quiz with our 3 control automation questions. The questions are scored using actuator output percentage, and today we'll be testing your knowledge on AI and automation, hype, or helpful. Let's begin with our first question for 25%. For process stability, AI is best used as A, the sole decision maker, or B, a decision support tool with constraints. And the answer is B, a decision support tool with constraints. Human-defined limits and control laws ensure safe operation. Okay, let's move on to our next question worth 25%. In high-speed control loops less than 10 milliseconds, AI is usually A, limited by computation latency, or B, more reliable than classical control. And the answer is A, limited by computation latency. Real-time constraints often favor deterministic controllers. And here is our final question worth 50%. AI failures in industrial systems are typically caused by A, insufficient data diversity and poor validation, or B, hardware transistors malfunctioning. And the answer is A, insufficient data diversity and poor validation. Most AI failures stem from training limitations, not hardware. Want to try again? Just click the link on your screen and be sure to check out our other AE videos for the latest in control automation.